Planning a trip to Spain from India? Well, I know you're dreaming of breathtaking road trips around Madrid, skydiving over Seville, exploring Costa Brava and more. But before you pack your bags and channel your inner ZNMD vibes, you'll need to get your Spain visa sorted. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of obtaining a Spain Schengen visa for Indians in just a few simple steps. But first, let's understand which documents are needed for the visa. Here's a complete list of documents needed for your visa. A passport which should be valid for at least 3 months beyond your Schengen exit and have at least 2 blank pages. A complete Schengen visa application, 2 recent passport size photographs, a travel medical insurance valid across the Schengen area with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros, a travel itinerary which includes your flight reservations, accommodations, etc., bank statements for the last 3 months, 2 years of ITR, 3 months of salary slips, an NOC from your employer, and business proof if you are self-employed. Self-employed, retired, or applicants who are minors may be required to provide additional supporting documents. The list of documents is mentioned in the description box below, so you can refer to it before applying. I would like to inform you that the Schengen rejection rate in 2024 was approximately 16%. And guess what? Most of those rejections were just because the paperwork didn't add up. Sounds frustrating, right? Well, that's exactly why Atlys makes it simple. No messy documents, no last-minute stress, just a smooth, streamlined way to get your Schengen visa. First, head over to the Atlys website or simply download the app. Search for Spain to get started. Verify your phone number by entering the one-time password or continue through Google. Enter your full name and mention whether you are traveling solo or with others. Select who is going to sponsor your trip. Select your marital status as well as your current employment status. Enter your current address or use our autofill feature by simply searching your address on the map. Enter your passport details. Enter your employer details. Choose an appointment date and your nearest appointment center. Then choose your tentative travel dates and the countries you plan to visit. These can be updated later as well. Finally, make the payment and you're all set. From there, an Atlys visa expert will take over and help you with all your paperwork. On the day of your appointment, you'll simply need to arrive at Visa Application Center, provide your biometrics, and submit the prepared documents. Ensure that you have all the documents listed on the screen. If you want, you can pause and take a screenshot. After your documents are submitted to the Spanish embassy, it will take around 15 to 20 days to get the result. You can apply at least 3 months before your planned travel dates, and we recommend applying in advance. Once your visa is approved, your passport, now stamped with your Spain visa, will be delivered right to your doorstep. Here are some practical tips to remember, and you can thank me later for these. First, apply at least 4 to 6 weeks before your travel date, especially during peak seasons like April to September and December to January. Always book your appointment in your city of residence. You can check the appointment dates on the Atlys appointment tracker, which is linked in the description below. If you have submitted Schengen biometrics within the last 59 months, you may be exempt from giving them again. Ensure your passport is valid for at least 3 months beyond your planned stay and has at least 2 blank pages. Carry travel insurance with a minimum coverage of 30,000 euros as it is mandatory for Schengen visas. Double check that your flight bookings, hotel reservations, and financial documents match your travel dates and plans. You must show sufficient funds to cover your trip. For example, the embassy or consulate will review your itinerary and hotel bookings, and if you have chosen 5-star stays, you'll need to provide proof of adequate financial means. You can explore other Schengen states also. You simply need to enter Spain first or keep your longest stay in Spain to match your visa requirements. Getting your Spain visa doesn't have to be a drama. Why waste time stressing over forms when Atlys can sort it all? Your appointment, your paperwork, and even getting your passport back to you. You just plan your trip and get ready for skydiving with your gang, painting yourself red at La Tomatina, cruising down Spanish highways with music blasting, and chasing sunsets by the Mediterranean.